Let's get straight into it. 1965 Chevrolet Impala. She has the small block Chevy backed by a 3-speed automatic. Frame and floor pans are solid. Lower doors are solid. Interior's in good shape. She can use paint, but she's in overall good condition. Let's check her out. As y'all know, black shows everything. Let's check out that top. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Checking out the jambs in the lower doors. Deck lid in good shape. As y'all can see, she's pretty solid. Trunk nice and clean. Interior's in good shape. Back seat. Package tray. Headliner. Check out that dash. Mileage reads a little over 95,000. Upper dash. Lower. Engine bay is nice and clean. She got the 283 cubic inch 4.6 liter V8 backed by a 3-speed automatic. Power brakes and power steering. Let's start her up. Fire right up. Y'all go ahead and go over and check out rollingmuseums.com. We got over 100 detailed photos on her. We have financing available. All the contact information gonna be in the description below. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a good one.